Letter number 39. To Amr ibn Oz. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. You have surely made your religion subservient to the worldly seekings of a man whose misguidance is not a concealed affair and whose veil has been torn away. He mars an honorable man with his company and befools those who keep his society. You are following in his footsteps and seeking his favors like the dog that follows the lion, looking at his paws and waiting for whatever remnants of his prey fall down to him. In this way, you have ruined your world as well as the next life, although if you had stuck to the right, you would have got what you were after. If Allah grants me power over you and Ibn Abi Sufyan, Muawiyah, I shall award you both recompense of what you have done, but if you escape and survive, then hereafter there is only evil for you both, and that is an end to the matter.